Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our mom's 2016 Ford Flex. One reason why we like this car is because it has a sport package, which includes bigger wheels and black accents. This particular one did not come with the roof racks, and we like the way that looks.
While we had the van, we used it as our weekend getaway car. Now that we don't have it, we need to install roof racks on this car so we have extra storage for paddleboards, kayaks, and bikes.
If you've ever priced new parts from Ford, you'll know that they're very expensive. We found some on eBay, and today we're going to show you how to install them.
Let's get started. In order to begin, you first must remove the roof trim. To do so, take a plastic molding tool, get under the trim, and carefully remove it from the clips. Once it is removed from all the clips, get a firm grasp and slowly pull it back. In order to get access to the mounting points, you first must remove two of the clips, the one at the front of the rear door and the one all the way at the back. You'll need to use a razor blade to cut sealant in order to gain access to the other two mounting locations. Now set these aside because you'll need part of them later.
When you buy the part from Ford, the trim comes already cut. Since we bought it used, we're going to have to fabricate. You can cut part of the clip that you removed, so the rest of the trim will fit properly. To cut it, we are going to use a multi-tool with the blade meant for cutting soft metal. And cut the passenger side to accommodate the roof racks. Now we're going to do the same for the driver's side. Once it's installed and secure, all that's left is to put on the trim. Well, there you have it. It wasn't that hard. We did add a bit of silicone around the mounting points to have more insurance against leaks. If you have a Flex and would like to add roof racks, you should check out some used parts. It'll save you a lot of money.
If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.